I made a nice yellow ball today. It's kind of more of a mustard color than I thought it was going to be. It's called Canary online, and I thought it was going to be more sunshine yellow, but it's got just a little bit of mustard in it, which apparently is very chic. And it's not a color that I think looks good on me. I think it kind of washes me out, but it looks fabulous in the home. So here we go. Start with a tail maybe about 12 inches long and a slip knot. So you make a tiny teardrop and then pull another loop through and tighten it, and that is your first stitch, like that. So for a yarn that's this thick, you can just do what I call the backwards loop, or basically you make like a little twist, and then the yarn just goes around the needle like that. So it's just a very simple little twist, just like that. And we want to do that quite a few times, 21 to be exact. Right? Okay. I don't have a yarn bowl in front of me. Let's see. 7, 8. And so really what I'm doing is I'm bringing the needle like through the loop just like that. It's just a very simple twist. And you can get away with that with a yarn that's thick like this because the yarn has memory, which means it's not going to just slither off the needle really quickly. 10, 11, 12. I do find this yarn twists a little bit, so kind of keep an eye on that. See, like it gets a little kinky. 5, 10, 13, 14. We're heading for 21. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And now you can see it's quite twisted, so I'll just let that hang a little bit and untwist. Okay, and now we are ready to start our first row.